Alright guys, so for this week's furniture flip, we have 2 dressers and 1 nightstand. The nightstand is like a full wood, and the 2 nightstands are like, they look like particle wood. The 2 nightstands are in really good condition. All they need is a nice sand, and the dresser, it needs a bit of work, so let's go do that now. After saving up a little bit more, I was able to get a spray gun. I found this on another YouTuber that does flipping. I'll put her right here, around the corner. But this is the new spray gun, the new tool for the week. Peep the messy desk. I just finished eating oatmeal, but got a spray gun. We're gonna see how this works. It's gonna be my first time using one of these, but yeah, let's get to it. All right, guys. So I just finished going to Home Depot. I got some wood filler, some plastic wood filler to fill in some of the holes, and I'll show you guys that right now. But yeah, I'm gonna go get paint. I chose like a bluish grayish. It was in the gray section. I'll show you guys that right now. But yeah, so I'm gonna start priming, and then I'm finally gonna use my new spray gun that I got. So I'll link that in the description for anybody that wants to check those out, the spray gun that I got. Guys, this is the 2 little nightstands I was talking about. These ones are actually in really good condition, so I think I'm just gonna do a quick sand on them and then just give them a good spray down. I'm thinking of doing a white to gray bottom, and for this one, and for the tops, like I saw this one color that furniture flipping newbie was using, and it was called something cocoa almond or something along those sorts. But yeah, that's the plan. But this one, oh, this is a dresser that's really had a shape. This is actually not wood. This is just a sticker that I used to have. But other than that, it's in solid condition and everything. This, you can see it's all solid piece from the sides. It just needs a little loving. But yeah, so here's the before one. Here's the before, and then we'll get afters. All right, guys, let's get to it. So from right here, we are gonna give this dresser the first scan, a sand, 120 grit. So let's get to it. Alright guys, this is after sanding it down with 120. A lot of spots are not perfect, but we're gonna get it done. I am gonna go to Home Depot to go get the rest of the supplies. I'm gonna start sanding these 2 down, and yeah, I'm gonna probably need some wood filler. So I've never worked with that, so that's gonna be a nice little project today. Start getting the colors for these 2. I'm probably gonna sell it as a set, these two with these 2. So let's get to that. And this is the wood that I decided to fill in right here. I'm gonna give everything a clean wash because I just finished sanding everything fully, and yeah. So right here, guys, I just got my spray gun, filled it up to about half of what the thing should take, and then I just went ham. It was really fun. I had a lot of fun doing this. It was such a time saver using the spray gun. So I'll just let you guys enjoy the rest of the time lapse. Alright guys, so after like an hour of painting, this is the final result. I totally love this thing. I'm gonna link it down in the description. It freaking saved me like hours of paint. And everything has a smooth finish, as you can see. Hold on, I'm putting that down. Everything has a smooth finish. Even this one. This one was a bit of work, still has a little bit of work. It still has like some places I need to go over again. Some minor imperfections, but for the most part, it came out before what it was. This one's my favorite so far out of the three. This one just came out beautiful. Alright guys, so after letting everything on, we're gonna spray it with spray on polyurethane. It's the first time I'm using this, so I'm gonna try my best to get it right. Alright guys, so this is the final product with the handle and everything. These we're gonna sell as a set. But yeah, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. These are all cheap products that anybody can afford. This was like 40 bucks, maybe 45 with shipping and everything. But if you have a Prime, if you're a Prime member, it's free. But yeah, paint took me like 1 quart of paint. No, like a little tiny one, like this big. I'll show you. It's like this size. This is a primer I use, Sennheiser. Yeah. And this was a paint color if anybody wants to know. Dark Storm Cloud. That's all, everything. This one, the only thing is it does have these chips, but it's gonna, when I sell it, just gonna let everybody know. I really like the polyurethane. It's adding like a glossy look to it. But yeah, this is it guys. Alright guys, so let's talk about numbers. So for everything, I got the dresser and the 2 little nightstands for $80 off Facebook Marketplace. And I got the materials and everything because I needed a little bit more stuff. But the materials ended up being $50 because I needed some other stuff, some new primers. So I'll change the cost to like 30 more or less. Yeah, 30 because the polyurethane can still have enough for other projects. So let's just rough it out to 30. So 80 plus 30 is 110, and I posted the whole set for 320. I'll keep the description down below posted, but you know, now that we reached the end of the video, make sure you guys, you know, like, share, and subscribe. I'll keep doing more YouTube videos. This video was a little late because my sister just graduated and I didn't have enough time for the weekend. You know, finals are coming up, so please, once I sell it for whatever I sell it, I'll edit the description, but I'll put everything down below. I'll put links to all the products I use and to that spray gun. So if anybody wants to start flipping, go out and you can do a lot of stuff on a budget. So thank you, like, share, and subscribe, and see you guys for the next one.